Today we're going to create something new. And yes, something that's fully monetized too. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has uploaded only 22 videos but already has over 10 million views. Many of its videos have gone viral and reached millions of views. You can also create videos just like this easily. There's another similar channel called AI History, which also uploads AI-based videos, and many of them have gone viral too. Now the question is this channel monetized? Yes, this channel is monetized. I copied the channel name and checked it on Social Blade, where you can see the income details. And look, its estimated monthly income is between 2.3K and 36K, which is really high. This shows how powerful these types of AI videos can be. You can also make such videos 100% free and very easy. Stay tuned, because I'll also show you how to write your video captions and style your videos just like these viral channels. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't miss any part. Let's get started. First, if you want to create AI videos similar to this channel, here's what you do. Open one of the channel's videos and copy its title. After copying the title, open ChatGPT and type paste the following. Epic thug life moments of Napoleon Bonaparte. Give me short story on this 90 words. Then, ChatGPT will create a short story of 90 words for you. A story that's perfect and suitable for your content. Now we write epic thug life moments of Napoleon Bonaparte. Give me short story on this 90 words. Give me 5 best idea on this ChatGPT. We'll give you 5 best ideas about this topic, which you can use to create the best story. Once these 5 ideas are ready, the next step is to open ChatGPT and type, "Give me one best idea in this." ChatGPT will then provide the single best idea for you, which can be used to create an amazing story. This is the method I follow. You can use any title to create an AI story or video, but I prefer to write my own story. I'll give you the prompt in the YouTube description. You just need to copy and paste it. I take the prompt from my YouTube description and paste it in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will first create a short story. But if you ask for a 150-word story, it will give you a more detailed version. The next step is to paste this story into ChatGPT for the following tasks. Now please give me 7 image prompt in detailed now. ChatGPT will create 7 detailed and highly realistic image prompts for you. These prompts are perfect for generating images that look completely real. Once the 7 image prompts are ready, the next step is to create AI videos. To make realistic film-style AI images for free, we will use a website called PicLumen. This is an amazing AI platform where you can easily create a large number of highly realistic images. It's simple to use and produces high-quality, realistic images perfect for your videos. After opening PicLumen, click on Create, then select the size you want. If you need a real size, choose 9:16. Once the size is selected, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into PicLumen. Click Generate and the image will start creating automatically. Repeat this process for all your prompts. Just copy and paste each prompt one by one to generate your images. Why I use PicLumen? PicLumen is an exceptional AI-powered image generation platform that allows users to create highly realistic, cinematic, and film-style images with ease. Its advanced AI technology transforms simple prompts into stunning visuals, perfect for movies, storytelling, or creative projects. The website's intuitive interface ensures both beginners and professionals can produce professional quality images effortlessly. Users can customize styles, lighting, and details to achieve their exact vision. With fast rendering, realistic textures, and vibrant colors, PicLumen stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to bring imaginative concepts to life through AI-generated imagery. And now I've created all the images. They turned out really great. Next, we will create AI voice for free. The tool we will use is Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free at unlimitedai.tools. This website also lets you create free AI images, but here we will focus on voice generation. If you cannot find the tool, comment below, and I will share the link so you can use it for free. It gives daily free credits, believe me. Open the AI text-to-speech generator, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the tool. Then select any voice. For example, Blaze Alex, which is the best. For demonstration, you can choose any voice. Click Generate, and your AI voice will be ready. Remember, you can generate 1,000 words at a time. And for longer scripts, divide them into 4 parts to create the complete voice. Once the voice is ready, you can listen to it.
In the ancient kingdom of Mahastra, 2 mighty warriors rose.
Now,
Bahubali,
the AI voice is
legendary
ready,
king,
and the next step is to create AI videos. Now that the AI images are ready, just like the ones created here, we can use them to make AI videos. Creating short AI videos is very easy. I'll also show you how to write prompts for free to generate these videos. If you want your videos to be slightly longer and more likely to go viral, you can use a website that gives daily free credits. This way, you can create daily AI videos for free and consistently post content that has a high chance of going viral. So how do we create AI videos? The website we will use is unshaken.ai, which is an amazing platform. When you sign up, it gives you 300 credits, enough to create about 10 videos. After that, it provides daily credits, so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, I have over 4,200 credits on my account because it has been logged in for a long time. This allows me to create many videos as I keep receiving daily credits. If you want to make more AI videos, unshaken.ai is a great choice. Even if you don't use it every day, it will automatically give you daily credits just like my account. Now we will create AI videos on this website. It's a really great platform. Click on Create, then go to Upload. First, upload your first image, then paste the first image prompt and click Generate. The video creation will start automatically. Next, upload the second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate again. The video will start creating. It takes a little time, but using this method, you can create 2 or more videos. Soon, you can start making 10 to 15-minute high-quality AI videos on this platform. Now the AI video is ready, and you can see how amazing it looks. The next step is to edit it. Open CapCut and import your video or images. After placing your images, go to Settings. Once your images are set, go to Animation and select the animation you like. Next, go to Effects and search for 3D Zoom. Click on the effect that looks best, and it will be applied. Now your zoom in out is set. Repeat the same process for the next image. Select Animation. Go to Effects, click on 3D Zoom, and apply any effect you like. You can add another image and adjust its settings the same way. This way, your video will look professional with smooth animations and 3D zoom effects. Next, I add the audio voice to the video. After that, click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Next, click on Generate Next. Next, go to Templates, and when many options appear, I select the one I like. I've used this style many times, and as you can see, the AI voice and captions are automatically applied. You can also create complete AI videos in the same way, adding text, music, audio, and video. Now, our AI video is fully ready and everything is set. Text, music, audio, and video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next time, I will bring another exciting video tutorial for you.